Hey guys, a very good morning to one and all. I'm doing good. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. Today I'm just starting my day with my morning coffee, guys. The smell of fresh made coffee is one of the world's greatest feeling and the taste. Everybody will be hurry in the morning, guys, but we can't deny the interruption of the fresh morning coffee. You guys might be thinking why she suddenly started drinking coffee. Because of Nescafe Gold, guys. It's that tasty. And of course, this is not going to continue. We'll again start to drink green tea, but due to the weather or the taste of the Nescafe Gold, I don't know, guys. Nowadays, I'm feeling to drink coffee in the morning. I know many people can't imagine starting their day without a warm morning cup of coffee, right, guys? And even I can't blame them. It's even beneficial to our health, lower the risk of two types, which is diabetes and some cancers. I'm done with my morning coffee, guys. Wow, what a relaxation, guys, due to this work pressure at home. And here I just started preparing for the morning breakfast. I'm preparing the peanut chutney. This time I'm not peeling the skin of peanuts, guys, because with the skin it's very healthy to consume, it seems. So this time I was worried about the color of chutney, but fine because I roasted bit 40 to 50% of the peanuts, so color is the same, guys. Here the batter is ready and even peanut chutney is ready. Only thing I have to prepare the dosa now. I was busy in preparing the breakfast, but Max what he did here. So no, guys. Now we have to see his face. Max knows he made a mistake and he's feeling guilty for it. Just to escape from the scoldings, he's just kept his face very innocent. But looking at his face, I'm also not feeling to scold him, guys, but I just warned him not to do it again. Now it's a time to see Max expressions. Wow, what an actor, guys, he is. When I was warning him, he was just arguing with me. That's okay, it will happen. That is what his mind voice is. Very funny. And I was really surprised watching his expressions. Now Max is gonna ask sorry like this. If we make any mistakes, he will ask me sorry like that. And he will be quiet. So I'm done with my breakfast, guys. Here I started preparing for the lunch, which is egg curry. This recipe also there in our channel. Please go ahead and watch it, guys. I'm just going to a garden to pluck few flowers from our garden, and it is very fresh flowers, guys. And also it's drizzling, and you have to see the water drops on the flower. It's just look like a pearl. Look at this fresh flower, guys. It is so beautiful to see with these water drops. It's just look like a pearl. I'm just gonna show you even closer. Watch it and enjoy, guys. So for today, this many flowers I got, and that's more than enough for today. Now I'm going back home, guys. This is custard apple tree, and it's looking so beautiful. I think this is perfect time to pluck, so I just plucked it. Wow, I really love to pluck the fruit from the tree and to just offer for the god today. So here again few flowers were there, so I just started plucking it. So there are few more flowers to pluck, guys. Please watch it. This is show plant, guys, but it is looking so beautiful. So I just plucked the flowers, and just today I have a plan of going for Kandi Sweets. So here we are now just gonna enter and thought of buying few snacks for home. And yeah, I'm just thinking still what to buy. Whenever I visit Kanti Sweets, Rasmalai definitely I'll have, guys, because this is my favorite. Not only the Rasmalai, guys, samosa also is my favorite, and here especially in Kanti Sweets it will be very tasty. Give it a try, guys. We all love cakes, don't we, guys? Entering any celebrations, our eyes are only fixated on the delicious spongy surprise that stands tall and freshly baked on the table. Mouth watering, no, guys, tempting also. This pinata cake is trending now. These are pinata cakes, chocolate flavor, hot diamond shape, and it is a surprise of breaking the shell with the hammer. So anyway, guys, we are just taking a parcel of rasmalai and rasgulla. My mouth is watering looking at this rasmalai, guys. It will be so yummy, guys. There were few more cakes left out, guys. Come on, let's have a look. In Kanti Sweets, high quality, refined groundnut oil is used in all namkins. So groundnut oil is used, it seems, guys. So I think it's good for the health. These are show plants just kept front of the Kanti sweets. It's really looking so beautiful, guys. Just have a look. That's all for today's one, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.
Don't question it. The truth will break your chains.